guys, welcome to Spilling the Beans episode 7. In today's episode, we have a beautiful couple who are pursuing different professional career. The bold and beautiful. And Mr. Bold is Dr. Kunal. A very interesting fact about him, being an orthopedic doctor, he is a die-hard Salman Khan fan. Hello Dr. Kunal.
Hi Priyashi.
So I would love that you would say a Salman Khan dialogue for our viewers.
Oh, that's a difficult one. I mean, there are many famous dialogues of him, but I think एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी फिर मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता.
Very nice. Even I love that dialogue. And now, our most beautiful is Komal Didi, who is a freelance choreographer and a student of law. Hi Komal Didi.
Hi Priyanshi.
So just a minute. Like you are a choreographer, so what is your favorite dance form?
My favorite dance form is purely Bollywood tadka. I just love Bollywood tadka.
Even I love it. Like, I adore it. So now let me give you a recap of today's episode. So like first we'll talk a little bit, and then second we are going to play a cool game. For that you have to see the whole video, and third we play the rapid fire round, and fourth that's the best part, and for that also you have to see the whole video. So now let's talk a little bit.
Yes.
So this question is common for both of you. Like whoever wants to say first, they can say. How did you meet each other?
See,
Go ahead.
we met through a common friends. Like she was pursuing another career, and I was into my medicine career. So one of our common friend, I was at his home in the night, and some birthday celebration was there, and she came downstairs, and at that time I first saw her, and then we met, and then we had a talk on the phone, and we did chit chat and all, and then we found a space, and that's how it happened. So
Yeah, so
I'm glad you know all the things.
I remember
Remember
all the things. So,
yeah, generally boys like forget everything. So now, like, how did you felt meeting him?
It was purely love at first sight. I accept it that it was purely love at first sight. So બહુ જ પાપડ પીવા પડ્યા એને મનાવવા માટે.
I was ready only.
Okay, so it was an arranged marriage or a love marriage?
Love marriage.
Oh, cool. So, like, now I'm just going to ask one more question. Like, Kunal uncle, how did you impress Komal Didi?
Such, frankly speaking, I didn't do anything that impressed. I mean, we have something very common in between us. Like, we both love to travel. We both are foodie. So, any special day or something like that, we go outside. I mean, we go for a 2 or 3 days holidays and all, and we just spend time together. So that is very common between us. So we are more in a relaxing mode. So I don't think I have done anything to impress her, frankly speaking.
Yeah, so like, how did you tell your friends like about Komal Didi?
See, my friends, I think they already knew that okay, we both are in some good relationship and all. So when I confronted them, ki, see, I am seeing her and I am planning to propose her or something like that. They already knew that. Okay, we knew whenever we meet somewhere or something, you were looking at her and she was looking at me like that and all. So they already knew that. So nothing was hidden from our friends. So
Yeah, that's cool.
yeah.
So now, Komal Didi, how did you impress Kunal uncle's parents before marriage?
Okay, his family. His family is very cool. Like, I first met his dad, and he was like, if you are okay, if you are 100% sure about my son, then I'm all okay with that.
So my family is not only supporting me.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, okay.
And they were like કે તું ઓળખે છે ને અમારા સનને પ્રોપર રીતે બસ તો પછી તારી ગેરંટી તું આવજે અમારી ગેરંટી એ તને નથી કઈ કહેતા.
Like, okay, and now we'll play a cool game. So, like, you both have a different game. So, first, Komal Didi, you have to tie like a blindfold on Kunal uncle's like eyes,
Okay.
and then I'll ask him few questions about it.
Yeah.
So like it's a pure couple game, right? And yeah, no cheating. Let them know love.
Okay. No, no cheating.
Karan, नीचे એટલે જ કરું. Right, okay.
Okay, so Komal Didi's shoes color.
Right now, I mean,
Yeah.
it's black.
Yeah, right.
Huh?
You can see from here.
No, I know it's black.
Okay, so now you have to put a bindi like on Komal Didi's like forehead in one shot.
But,
Like you have to get. You will give it to him.
one shot.
Yeah, one shot. It will be but you have to try the target best.
अरे this is my finger.
Right.
No.
I cannot touch.
No.
No.
Acha,
why
you just
not touch?
okay, okay.
Yeah.
कुछ भी.
Okay, now you can open and see where this is.
It's almost perfect.
Yeah, almost perfect.
Has it's just little upwards.
Yeah,
That's it.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you can remove it. So now we'll ask Komal Didi a few questions about Kunal uncle. So like, what is Kunal uncle's shoe size?
Shoe size. Nice question. 8.
Is it right?
It's 9.
What dish does you cook that is Kunal uncle's favorite?
Oh my god. I think it will be more of a fight right now.
You want to give an answer of this?
No, she's asking you, so you have to answer.
Okay. Let me guess.
Yes, I mean,
Yes, of course.
as if you are making everything so wonderful.
Maybe paneer barbecue.
Yeah, you can say that.
Yeah, but like, what is the actual answer?
I think he makes pav bhaji very good, so I like that.
Next, so you like paneer barbecue.
Paneer barbecue is a simple
So
thing.
you are giving me minus points.
No, I think.
Like it is right, it is wrong, like it's both. So now it was amazing and it was fun. So now we play the rapid fire round. So who will start first? Okay, fine. Love, hate and tolerate about Komal Didi. What do you love about her?
Love, I mean, she's very talkative. At first sight, I was not that comfortable because I speak very less. So, but I love that because at least someone is talking and I am listening. So I love about that, and I can tolerate it also. So you can count on both the sides.
And now?
And I
Now?
tell you, yeah, right now also I'm very comfortable. And hate, I said I don't hate anything about her. So.
Okay. So like sometimes you feel like she talks too much if you're stressed or something.
Yeah, it's a stress buster also sometimes, so I have to like love it also, and at times it's very tolerating and it's.
Yeah, so three are connected. So now, like you are a Salman Khan fan, but name 3 movies of Shah Rukh Khan you love to watch.
My friends will kill me if they see this episode as we are all Salman Khan.
Yeah.
See, I like Swadesh. That movie I really liked it. The acting and the story and all. And second is Chak De India, right? And third is Kal Ho Na.
Yeah, I thought like these 3 are amazing. I thought you would say Kuch Kuch Hota Hai because in that
Yeah.
also Salman Khan's acting.
But you cannot compare, na? So
Yeah,
exclusive
that's true.
Shahrukh. Yeah.
Yeah. So now, again, like, how well do you know? Like, one question of it. Favorite shopping place of Komal Didi?
In Ahmedabad?
Yeah, anywhere.
Anywhere. As such, there is no favorite place because she loves to shop anywhere. Wherever we go, she is ready only. So in Ahmedabad, maybe she likes Lovisha?
H&M.
No, H&M.
Yeah. Describe yourself in one word.
Me,
Yeah. Yeah, describe yourself.
hard worker.
Okay. Is it true?
Yes.
Okay. Very well, you did very good.
Thank you.
Like competitive rate. So now Komal Didi. Love, hate, tolerate about Kunal.
I love the Kunal, the way he is. Hate.
Nothing.
As
I have
such,
told
as
no.
such, as such, no.
Okay.
Okay, and tolerating, he's very annoying sometimes.
Annoying.
Okay. Name 3 movies of Salman Khan you love to watch.
Yeah, it's a nice question. Name
I have
3
no
at
top
least.
list of Salman Khan, so please like think. Okay, Salman Khan, कुछ कुछ होता है.
That was not
Then-
his movie.
Okay, okay fine. One is Wanted.
Hmm.
Yeah, एक था Tiger and Tiger जिंदा है.
Yeah. Favorite holiday destination of Kunal.
Right now it's Turkey.
Is it true?
Yeah, I really like that place.
So like you are a very good choreographer and a very good dancer, so you have to choose between dancing skills. So Tiger Shroff or Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik Roshan absolutely.
Yeah. Future will be.
Yeah.
So like we did a lot of Dhamal Masti and now we'll talk a little bit serious. So first of all, I'll tell you who is the winner.
Okay.
So what do you think? Who is the winner?
Obviously,
Of
me.
course, I'm the standing.
Okay, you both did very good, very amazing. So you both did.
Oh,
Oh,
thank you.
so much.
So much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So like as I told you, did a lot of Dhamal Masti. So now I would like ask you both a question or something. So Kunal uncle, describe about your journey in medical career.
So it was, it was always my dad's dream to pursue this career, and I was also very much into it. As such, I was good in studies, so I wanted to become a doctor. So, and when I finished my 12th, so I got around 84-85%. Then I pursued my medical career from Surendranagar, as you know it. So at first year was very difficult for me because it was just a sudden change in the life. Like all the subjects were so bouncers, like it's not going to happen and all. But gradually it turned out to be a good journey for me. And right now, wherever I am, it is because of this only. So it's good, right?
So was it too difficult to study or it was like okay?
No. It's a very long journey, I must say, because in medical you have to at least give like something 8 to 9 years to be on a specialty branch. So it was difficult, but it was fun journey because it was good. It was good.
Yeah. So now, Komal Didi, please tell us about your activities and how did you adapt on your Insta page and about your presence like on social media.
So basically, I am in this field since more than 10 to 12 years. So I personally believe that Insta page is one of that sources કે જ્યાં હું મારું પોતાનું પર્સનલ પ્રોફેશન હું લોકો સુધી પહોંચાડી શકું છું એન્ડ સિન્સ ચાઇલ્ડહુડ આઈ લવ ટુ ડાન્સ સો ધીરે ધીરે આગળ વધતા ગયા અને ઇટ ઇઝ લાઈક my profession is purely based on mouth advertising. So Insta plays a very important role in my life for my profession basically. So I manage it by myself only.
So like what kind of dances or like what kind of dance form you do it on like Insta page actually?
Yeah. So I do mainly Bollywood. Then I love to dance content as well. And then I love to do right now there is one current favorite for all choreographers, that is a sitting choreography. So I love to do that right now.
So like there's no music, sorry guys, but can you do one step or something which is your favorite like sit time?
Yeah, I can. Okay. With
She's
Kunal?
always ready. No, you have to do it alone.
Okay, you do with me.
Okay, I'll copy you.
Yeah, come. So, let's do it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Disco Divane. I'm very bad singer. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Oh, good.
I enjoyed. So now, like, I know you are a Salman Khan fan, but again, you have to propose Komalji in Shah Rukh Khan style.
Oh my God.
You're doing it
We will do
everything
one
in Shah Rukh Khan, huh?
Wait, like, here is a dialogue of Shah Rukh Khan if you need help.
Yeah, okay.
We actually should know one thing for sure. Kunal didn't propose me till now. Till this day.
So now it is a good chance that you propose to her.
Okay, but I have to do it with this dialogue or any
No,
dialogue?
any dialogue, like, this is such a helpline.
Okay, okay. Like Shah Rukh, though, his signature step is like, will you marry me?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. Will you marry me?
Yes, of course, forever.
Cute.
Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. It was the best thing, the best proposal.
Thank you so much.
So how did you feel?
Over the moon, you can say.
Speechless. I'm speechless right now.
That's good. So how did you feel doing Shah Rukh Khan?
I didn't feel good.
Okay, so now I enjoyed. I hope you guys also enjoyed
Yeah,
this.
We enjoyed a lot.
So now, bye guys. See you in the next episode. Love you.
Bye. Bye.